Use De Morgan's laws to write the negation of the following statement. Either you buy a blue car or you buy a red car. Okay, so this is from the face-to-face review for Unit 2. All right, so De Morgan's law says if I negate P or Q, this equals or is logically equivalent to negation P and negation Q. So since I have this situation where I have P, you buy a blue car, and Q is you buy a red car, what I'm going to do is negate it. So I'm going to write out negation P, you don't buy a blue car. And now I have the symbol and. You don't buy a red car. Okay, so again, I'm just going to clean this up really quick. So you have to have that memorized, that the negation of P or Q is negation P and negation Q. 21. Use De Morgan's law to write the negation of the following. Class isn't over and that clock is fast. Okay, so P is going to be class isn't over, and Q is that clock is fast. Okay, so if I negate P and Q, because that's what I have in this situation, it's logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So negation P is class is over, or, and now I need negation Q. The clock is not or isn't fast. Okay. 22. Write the negation of the following conditional statement. If you get an engineering degree, you'll be offered a job as soon as you graduate. Whatever follows the word if is P. So P is if you get an engineering degree, and then Q is you'll be offered a job as soon as you graduate. Okay, so I have a conditional. So the negation of the conditional is logically equivalent to P and negation Q. Okay, you have to memorize that one, by the way. So I'm going to write P. You get an engineering degree, and, now I need the word and. I have negation Q. You won't be offered a job as soon as you graduate. Okay, so that one's done. Write the negation of the following conditional statement. If you pass this course, you will graduate this semester. So again, if we're taking the negational of the conditional, it's negation of P then Q. That is logically equivalent to P and negation Q. So P is you pass this course, you will graduate this semester, is Q. Okay, so I'm going to write this up. P, you pass this course, and now I need negation Q. You will not graduate this semester. Okay, all right, that was 23. 24, determine the validity of each of the following arguments. Use a truth table or logical reasoning. All right, I think I'm going to hold off on 24 and 25 and just make a new video for it because it will take me a while to show you both ways to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and stop.